Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about application of Rolle's theorem. So now I will show you how to answer. We applied about Rolle's theorem. Let's say I will have C between A and B. If we applied about Rolle's theorem, they should be about continuous. So they should be like this. Now, I will consider about this one. So I will put a plus b plus c go to the left. Now, I will put about first derivative of the function in here. And now, I will do the integration for the both sides. The integration of this one, we have f of s. We have the formula in here. The integration of s to the power of n ds. We have s to the power of n plus 1 over n plus 1, and I will put about c. Now we can apply the formula in here, here, and here. So we have like this. And see that is about the constant. Now we simplify this one. Now we apply this formula in here. So in this situation, b that is about number 1, a that is about number 0. Now if I put f of number 0 in here, number 0 I will put in here, and here. You got about c that is about the constant. F of number 1, I will put number 1 going here. So we have a plus b plus c minus a plus b plus c and capital C. Now we simplify this one and you got about c. And now we applied the formula in here. So f of number 1 we have c. And f of number 0 we have c. 1 minus 0 we have 1. And this one we have 0. That means there is at least one value of s with s equal to c. So this first derivative of the function equal to number 0. So because we put this one to this one in here, so that means when we put c between 0 and 1, this function in here will have one root for this one in here. So we just root about this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.